Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well, guys. So today, guys, we're making a special delicacy, palm oil stew. Oh, I enjoy this palm oil stew more than even the normal stew we do with vegetable oil. So guys, at this point I'll be showing you the things I'll be using for this palm oil stew. Oh, it's a special oil stew for me. I love it so much. That's the meat I'll be using. I'll be making use of shaki, red meat, pomo. I can't cook my red oil stew without shaki. So guys, that's my tomatoes, my fresh tomatoes. Coming to pepper, I made use of enough pepper for this stew. So that's my Scotch bonnet, and I'll also be making use of red bell pepper. That's it. Like this too, when it comes to palm oil too, I always add enough pepper. So that's my red bell pepper. Then I'll be making use of crayfish. That's my crayfish. I'll be making use of tomato paste, like I've showed you my fresh tomato. So that's my tin. So that's my onions. I'm making use of 3. So that's my palm oil, the main cocoa of the day. That's what I'll be using for this stew. As you can see, I'm using hot water to wash this meat very well. I have to wash it all because this shaki roundabout, it can be dirty when you buy it, so you have to wash it very well with salt. So that's what I'm doing. After washing, I will cook it together with my red meat. I won't be adding my pomo because my pomo is already soft. I will add it later. Guys, that's my meat. That's I use onions, thyme, curry, seasoning cube, and salt as the seasoning. Guys, this is my red bell pepper. I want to blend them now, so I'll be blending it separately. I won't be adding it to my tomato. That's why I do it. So I'm done blending. That's my red bell pepper here. I'm done blending. So the next thing I'll be blending now is my tomato, my onions, and my Scotch bonnet. So that's it. I'm done blending as well. So instead of cooking my tomato, I placed it in a sieve so that the water will drip. I don't like wasting my gas, so that's the way I do it. Before you see the way how the water it is, are you seeing it? See the water that came out from it. So I still left it. Going back to my meat, I didn't add water in my meat, but look at the water it produced. Have you seen? So I'm adding my pomo. Like I told you, my pomo is already soft, so I've already cooked this meat for about 15 minutes or so. So I'm adding my pomo now so that the ingredients will enter inside it before I start cooking my palm oil stew. So guys, my crayfish, my onions, so my meat is okay now. So guys, I will start cooking. So that's the pot I'll be using. So I'll be cooking on a medium heat. I will allow the water to dry up before adding my palm oil. Guys, if I add the palm oil, I won't allow it to bleach. I don't want it to bleach too much. So see, I just added my palm oil. I won't allow it to bleach. Yeah, that's why I cook mine. So after some minutes, I will allow it to be very hot before adding my onions and other things. But as you can see, the oil is now very hot, so I just added my onions. So I didn't allow it to bleach. Yeah, that's why I cook my palm oil too. So I will allow the onions to cook a bit, fry a bit before adding other things. So guys, now I'll be adding my tomato paste. That is it, just one. I'm using just one. After adding my tomato paste, I will allow it to fry for like 5 minutes. Then I will add my red bell pepper, the one I blended. So when I blended it, so that's what I'll be adding now after 5 minutes of adding my tomato paste. Guys, That's it. The pepper is drying, so you should allow it to dry a bit before adding your tomato. So now I'm adding my tomato after about 10 to 15 minutes of drying my pepper, my red bell pepper. So guys, I've added my tomato. I will add my salt. I'll add salt in it. After adding salt, I will now allow it to dry very well. You see, that is the case now. Before I will start adding my meat stock and all that, you will see how it will look like. I will allow it to dry very well, because especially this my palm oil too, I always allow it to dry very well before adding my meat stock and all that. Hope you're enjoying the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. Please view my video and make sure you subscribe, guys, please. So guys, as you can see, it's changing, it's drying. Our stew is frying very well, so as you can see, that is it. So I've been frying this stew for like 20 minutes now. That's me. I always love to fry it very well, so that, like, I don't like the taste of fresh tomato. I always want it to dry very well before adding my meat stock and the meat, as in before arranging the stew very well. So guys, as you can see, that's what I'm still frying. So I'll be adding my meat stock now, because it has fried to my taste. So I'll be adding my meat stock. Once I add my meat stock, I will allow it to cook a bit. I'll add my meat. So guys, as you can see, I'm adding my meat stock. Inside this meat stock, my crayfish is in there. My blended crayfish, I added it in my meat stock before adding it in my stew. So that's the way I did it. So my meat, that's my meat. So I've added my meat stock and my meat. So I'll cover for it to cook well. Then guys, I'll add, because I added Maggi in my, when I was boiling my meat, so I'm adding just two now. So I've added my seasoning cube, just two. So I'll still allow it. You have to test your salt. Add the test, depends on you. Me, I'm not adding any other salt because I've tested it and the salt is okay. So guys, now I've added everything. I'll cover my pot. As I've covered it now, I will allow it to cook very well for about 10 to 15 minutes. Yeah guys, our stew is ready. Oh my god, guys, I wish you tested this stew with me. Oh my god, it was so delicious. I forgot to tell you that you can eat it with rice, beans, yam, whatever you wish. Like me, I will devour it with my rice and beans. This is a wonderful Sunday morning that I made this tea. So guys, thanks for stopping by to watch my video. See you in my next video. Bye.